Hey there mga my loves, Aris! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan, bago tayo mag-energy check-in sa inyo mga babes, no? Reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think ay para sa iyo. At kung feel mo na reading ito ay for you, then this reading might really for you. And syempre, lahat tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So let's go ahead and check the messages for you guys. Whispers and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show us messages for Aries, please? This is for Aries. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries, please. This is for Aries. Nakita ko nung alam niyo yung hat na fisherman's hat? Okay? So, yan. Kung may tali yan, maaring nagsuot ka niyan. This could be a reading or baka nakita mo yan no, habang ikaw ay nagbabrowse online. Pero kung hindi, it's okay lang. Okay. Let's go ahead and check messages for you, Aries. Ilatag naman na natin lahat. You've got here the Seven of Swords energy, the Star. You could be seeing a lot of 777s, which is a good number right here because it's all about spirituality right here and also you're being protected here by the divine. Okay? So, yeah. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na mukhang ikaw, mga babes, no, ay nakuhaan ng importante. Literal na pwedeng pera yan or literal na property or yaman na maituturing mo. So, yan. I'm seeing you na nakakabangon ka na from that, okay? Kasi nakikita ko rito na nakahawi or nalilift na yung mga clouds rito, which is yung mga challenges, no? Or parang nilalayo ka na rito because you're being protected right here, no? From someone abusing. Yung mga bagay na pinaghihirapan mo. So, nilalayo ka sa mga energies o sa mga tao na umaabuso sa'yo rito, no? Like, nagbibigay na rito at nakikialam na si universe, nagbibigay ng situation dito para hindi ka na nila malapitan. I'm getting that example, no? Maybe this is the situation here for others of you or some of you, no? But doesn't have to be for everybody. Pero ganito kasi yun, no? Nakuha ko dito ng example, no? Na parang meron dito na hindi naman talaga totoo yung mga dinadahilan niya, no? Para makahiram siya ng pera sa'yo rito. Sasabihin niya hiram, pero yung totoo, hindi niya na yun ibabalik. So, ba't hindi na lang niya gamitin yung salitang hingi? 'Di ba? Yung iba naman sa inyo 'no, nakikita ko nakakabangon na kayo rito kasi literal 'no, na tinangayan kayo rito ng pera 'no, ng puwedeng ex-partner ninyo. 'Yan 'no, puwedeng kinuha yung wallet niyo, kinuha rito yung ATM niyo, whatever the case may be, or tinakbo rito yung titulo ng lupa or titulo ng house, whatever it is, no? I'm seeing someone here no, na nagtangay rito, no, ng puwedeng pinaghirapan mo. Yung iba, if you are um, someone na nag-OFW, no? Alam mo yung naramdaman ko rito, yung parang pain mo nung nalaman mo na hindi mo naman naipundar yung dapat na maipundar. Okay? Kasi pagdating mo at pagka-uwi mo, no? Wala pa lang naipatayong bahay, wala pa lang nasimulan. So whatever the case may be, you're healing from that, nakakabangon ka na. Tandaan ninyo, lahat ng mga sinasaktan, inaabuso ay mas lalong umaangat, Aries. Okay? Kaya itong middle of the reading ninyo is very powerful right here. This is the Star. This is you, nakakabangon ka na at mas binibiyayaan ka pa ng mas maraming blessings kaliwat kanan. Bumabalanse na ulit ang buhay mo at nakikita kong may mga dreams ka at may mga wish ka rito na hindi mo nakikita. Ayun, may mga star sa likod mo na hindi mo nakikita ang paparating sa'yo, pero inaangat ka rito ni universe. Tinutulungan kang makabangon at nakikita ko no nasa likuran mo. Pera ito, mahal, no? Nine of Pentacles, no? Ano man ang kinuha sa'yo, no? Muling ibinabalik, siksik, liglig, kaliwat kanan, umaapaw. Tara. Yeah, see? 777. You could be seeing a lot of 77. What does it also mean, Miss Yan? It also means 777, no? In manifestation, you're on the right track. Parang 111 yan mga babes. So, ibig sabihin, nagiging positibo ka. This is you. Lumalaban ka na ngayon sa buhay, no? Hindi na kita nakikita rito na nagpapa-apekto sa mga negative energies, no? This is you na mas tumitibay ang faith mo at paniniwala mo, no? Sa mga dreams at pangarap mo sa buhay. So, nakikita ko that this is you, no? Naka-align ang iyong thoughts, ang iyong isipan, no? Positibo. Ang iyong intention, no? Sa iyong soul at iyong heart rito, no? Ay tumutugma rin. So, ibig sabihin, you are on the right track, okay? So, nakikita ko na tuloy-tuloy pa ito na pagpasok rito ng abundance, no? Ng prosperity sa buhay mo, no? Yun ang nakikita ko, no? And this Seven of Cups energy, these are opportunities. You will be having these options and opportunities when it comes to this money, coins, and pentacles. So, alam mo, we're also talking about money doon sa Taurus reading. So, you might want to check that out. Maybe you're dealing with the Taurus sign, but doesn't have to be. Baka ikaw ay cross-watcher ni Taurus or baka ikaw ay may Taurus in your natal chart. Okay, I'm seeing beautiful, healthy. Yeah! Wow, powerful. Star Empress. So this is you. Okay? You're stepping into this Empress energy. See? A lot of abundance. See, sabi ko sa iyo, nag-uumapaw, siksik, lig-lig dito, no? See, nakikita kita dito mga babes, no? Na kung sino man talaga yung mga umabuso sa iyo before, like literally, okay, tapos na yon. They're gonna receive here some kind of a judgment. Judgment is number 20 in the tarot. See, you've got number 17 and 3. When you add it up, what will you get? You'll get 20, isn't it? So whatever the case may be, okay, they're gonna receive some kind of a judgment and they're gonna see it right before your eyes, no? Kung paano ka pa dito mas inaangat, mas binibiyayaan, no? Nakikita ko rito na magtatagumpay, no? Ano man yung gagawin mo na yan. Business, i-expand mo yan. I'm seeing it being successful, getting success right here, achievement, no, coming your way, money, coins, are being attracted to you. Yan, no, nakikita ko dito you have lots of options right here, no. Others, makakatanggap kayo rito ng, pwede ba akong makipag-partnership sa'yo? Pwede ba akong makipag-business dito sa'yo? Kasi nakita ko na marami rito na gustong tumangkilik ng services or ng products mo. Yan, no? Or pwede bang i-join ka namin sa team namin if you're working in a company kasi nakita namin yung potential mo. You are stepping into this Empress energy. Aries taking the lead role. And yeah, see, there's this someone here, no, na abundant rin. Okay, may prosperity rin. At stable, no? At hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nakukuha na magkaiba kayo ng skin color, but doesn't have to be. I'm picking up that specifically, so ibig sabihin meron ditong mga viewers, no, na itong partner na ito, no, magiging partner ng iba sa inyo. Pwedeng hindi niyo ito mapansin at first kasi pwedeng hindi siya ganun ka-vocal about his or her feelings for you, okay? Pero nakikita ko rito that this is someone here na tahimik lang pero seryoso siya sa'yo. So, kung ka-in relationship mo na siya, no, nakikita ko, no, na itong tao na to, no, ay fix na sa'yo. At hindi ko siya nakikitang naghahanap ng iba dahil ang King of Pentacles energy ay someone who is faithful at ang maganda, no. Meron na siya ritong stable na job. Permanente na yan, no. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na almost power couple na kayo, no. Yeah, makikita mo sa kanya na mag-i-step up pa siya, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito, no, yung Emperor sa aking mind. So, magsi-step up palalo itong King of Pentacles na to, no? At nakikita kong mas lalo pang magmamatch ang inyong energy, no? Habang tumatagal ang inyong relationship. So, yeah, if that person is already in your life, nakikita mo na, no, kung ano mga pinagsasabi ko rito. At kung hindi pa yun ang matutunghayan mo, Aries, and at the bottom of the deck, definitely, kuumpisa ng umikot ang Wheel of Fortune mo, no? nang naayon sa yung favor right here. So nakikita ko no, na lahat ng mga nawala sa'yo, especially in terms of worldly gains at material gains na inabuso ka ng mga nakasalamuha mong tao in the past, muli itong ibinabalik sa'yo. Four of Pentacles, this is treasure. This is the flower blooms. Okay? Kahit na sobrang dami pang crowd no, ng tao rito. So makikita ko rito that you will have something here that stays. Four of Coins energy is a treasure, kayamanan. It's a treasure chest right here. So whatever it is that you're receiving, it's that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Wow! So whatever the case may be, you're about to receive here that pot of gold, which is kapalit ng lahat ng mga kinuha sa'yo, Aries. So wow! Claim and receive this, honey, because I know that these are all yours. So thank you so much. Sarang nalalaman mo. Annyeong.